what would be the snappy headline for our chat today?
Build back better. A post-COVID world is one that will look quite different to a pre-COVID world. There are millions of people who are out of work. Economic growth has been smashed. It's a terrible situation. But what we've seen just in the last few weeks is this echo chamber almost of calls from investors, trillions of dollars of assets under management, from leading energy companies, from corporates across the space, from governments saying we need to take this opportunity, this tragic situation that we have today, to build back better, a green recovery. What do we mean by that? I think oftentimes people muddle up the concept of spending versus investing. Spending is important in terms of fiscal stimulus, but what we're talking about in the climate transition is investment. With investing, you get something back for it. And this is what the Energy Transition Commission is calling for, unleashing massive investment in renewable power systems, boosting the construction sector via green buildings and green infrastructure, supporting the automotive sector while pursuing clean air, and we're talking about cumulative gains from transforming the energy system alone that could reach almost $100 trillion between 2020 and 2050. And that far exceeds the related investment costs of $15 trillion. The International Renewable Energy Agency has calculated that more than 17 million jobs could be created in the renewable energy sector globally in the next 10 years. That would essentially double the size of the workforce in the sector. We need to face it, some parts of the economy are probably not going to come back. Net zero means transformation of heavy industry. It means petrochemicals, it means long-distance transportation, steel and cement and agriculture. These are sectors of the economy that are critical for economic growth that we rely on. They are the ones that really need to decarbonize. I'm optimistic, and I'm optimistic because it's a value proposition. Because engineers are smart, because battery technology is improving, because renewable energy costs are declining, all the different suite of technologies and enabling infrastructure, grids, transmission and distribution, all of that is being built out. And the effect of that is the transition has really made its way into the private sector. This is possibly the best, if not one of the only opportunities to lift economic growth meaningfully in the future. There is a role for policymakers, and there is a role for the private sector, and there's a role for society. This is not rocket science. Investing in climate equals investing in growth.